Another day, another all-time high. Seems to be the pattern going on here. We're starting up a little early. Planned on waiting for confirmation here. 35,300. Just trickling underneath. How you guys doing? You guys ready for a spicy day? I'm ready. Let's give everybody a little time to get in here. Things are looking good. Bitcoin positioned to retest its highs here, and we are seeing some altcoins go absolutely bonkers. Out of control. I think the YouTube alert just went out right this second. There we go. We're piling in. All right, looking good, guys. I don't know if you've been paying attention today, but you should be. You should be. We are seeing some crazy potential. Really, what else would we expect at this point anyway? Virtually every day has been ridiculous. Since November-ish, yeah. Here we are again. Today's the 6th of January, and we are about to get what I was actually waiting for to go live, but I said, screw it, let's just start it up now. Looking right now for price to surpass 35,365. If you're a patron, we already had our warm up today. So you saw we did about an hour of TA. I'm already warmed up. I already know the levels. I already know what I'm looking for. Hopefully, you guys are as well. Let's see, making sure everything works here. What's up, Mala? How you doing? Franz Williams. What's up, Sean Gardner? Let's get it. Josh, beautiful Josh is here. Justin Bond. What's up, Meng? Abel. ADA hitting $1. All right. You say so. I'm straight from Abel's mouth. What's up, Dino? John Wilson, Jimmy Biscuit, Dunk. Positive, what's up, Meng? Tom G. Thomas J. D Bizzle, what's up, Meng? Demon, good to see you, brother. J Rook Productions, appreciate the patron, Discord chill, man. They get Anthony, how you doing? All right, we're getting started here. Don't forget to smash that like button. Get this stream in front of as many eyes as we can. How can you help? By smashing that like button. Come on, Bitcoin. Just do it. Just do it. That's what I wanted it to be. The start of the episode. You always get what you want. ADA, man. I've been holding my ADA forever. And out of nowhere today, just blasts into my top 5 in my portfolio. Never would have seen that coming. We did see 2 days ago, on the 4 days ago, on the 2nd of January, we closed above our target, but that was an old target. We closed above a major resistance at 19.79 cents. Call it 20 cents, whatever. And no chill cents. Reaching up to 37.36. Man, that is the retracement target that we pinned on this channel so very long ago. Months and months and months ago. I'm starting to wonder how I got it. It's clearly not from this. Oops. Good question. There we go. Measured move. Plus, looking left, historical resistance. Here we are. 31 cents. Decent target. Let's see, traded as high as 34.85. Very nice. These altcoins today. Holy moly. Holy moly. Freaking unbelievable. Here we go, Bitcoin. There we go, bud. Go for it. Don't tease me. Don't tease me, Bitcoin. Might be teasing me. That's alright. Let's take a look. I just randomly looked at ADA. You know what? Let's randomly look at Ethereum too while we wait for Bitcoin. Who was here? Who was here on January 2nd? We were plotting this out. And we placed the void. January 2nd, we were looking. 1 second. What is up, Crypto Face, my man? Good to see you, brother. How's the, I don't want to dox you. How's your vacation going, my friend? Hope you're doing well. You're missing some of the action, though. On the 2nd, we were looking, and I have to admit I was off. I said, if we get a close above 784, we wrote, this is it, 784. Yeah, we were looking for 1105. We didn't get that close. We got it the next day, rocketed through the void. Now over it. Trading all the way up to 1217. There is nothing in Ethereum's way again. Breezing. Just breezed through 1105. 1419 above as the all-time high target. That's it. Had a room after that. Off in space, you're in Bitcoin territory. Guns out. Yeah, dude. It's an emergency stream. I didn't expect it. Is there an echo? That would be bad. Is there? Shouldn't be an echo. Make sure these volumes on the headphones. Let me look like an idiot for a second trying to find the volume dial. There we go. Huh. Anybody else echo? No echo. Well, you know what? Maybe that guy's just echoing. Maybe he's in a cave. Stuff happens. Ethereum though, no chill. No chill. Reaching for the all-time high on the 4-hour. Momentum looking good. On the daily, momentum looking good. RSI looking good. Even better. Though this has retraced a little bit here today. We saw Ethereum yesterday and Bitcoin pair trade beautifully. Trade beautifully. Retested 0.343 resistance above. And then back tested in the same day. 0.3. Beautiful move. Technical. Beautiful technical move. To resistance, back to support, back to resistance. Technical AF. Momentum looking awesome on the daily for Ethereum Bitcoin. A breakout here spells huge gains. Huge gains for Ethereum. Massive. Looking at the upside. possibly retesting August's Bitcoin pair high at 0.04, but looking for 0.0369 to 0391. Translated out into dollars, man, that is in the realm of the all-time high, looking very likely. 14%, 18%. That's about right. The void. Never doubt the void. This is literally exactly where it was when I flipped away from it. Stop trolling me, Bitcoin. Discord. Discord should never go. I don't know. You know what? I'll just close Discord. Hopefully that helps. I don't know what's going on. Boom. I don't. Trying to do a little A/B testing. Echo. Echo, echo. I don't know, man. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it on my side. Sounds great. Maybe have two tabs open. Many explanations. Many, many. Speaking of me closing the Discord, make sure you're in the Discord. Make sure you're in there. It's the best way to keep up with our daily live streams. We do not have a set schedule. We follow the market, and thus we are known to go live at any time. Holy maker. We've got some crazy coins to look at today. Crazy coins to look at today. There's so many, I have to actually look at the title. I have to look at the title of the video to even remember them all. I already have XLM up. Nano, gotta pull Nano up. I have to say, Nano is in the title yesterday, and I think I completely forgot to do it. Which is unfortunate, because we would have seen the close. We would have looked for that $2 test. My chat is not working. What? WTF? What are you guys doing? Hacking my chats. What's going on? What's up, Renee Silva, my brother, and Noah M? How you doing, darling? Alright, Jerry Jossers, spam in the Discord link. Alright, I'll pin yours. You gotta put one that has the Patreon link too, though. I'm putting that one. I'll look out for it. Beer o'clock. Jimmy Biscuit, that's right, man. What's up? Let's see, man. I don't even have all the charts up. You guys are getting me distracted again. I gotta get ADA up. I have ADA up. Gotta get KNC up. Dude, there's so many freaking coins going nuts. So many coins going nuts. Wow, KNC with the perfect double bottom on the daily. Flexing. Flexing harder than I am in this tank top. XLM catching everyone's eye. We have highlighted this coin. This is now the third stream in a row where we highlighted this coin. I don't know if you guys were paying attention. But we got the closes we were looking for in both streams. Looking for upside. First started looking at this coin. It was trading at 15 cents 2 days ago. Hit 40 cents today. 40. If that's not a testament to why you should be following our streams, I don't know what it is. I don't know, man. We're gonna get in depth with all these. We're just gonna graze over them all, so I can just keep track of them in my mind. Gotta organize these. Ethereum. XLM. MATIC. I gotta pull up MATIC. I'm surprised. I wonder what's going on. This 216 watching. That's like half our normal numbers, and it's freaking spicy right now. I wonder if we're suffering from that words that shall not be spoken. Yeah, it's just early in the stream. MATIC finally breaking 3-cent resistance and flexing on top. Jeez. 3.58 cents today. We're gonna, like I said, we're just going through these real quick. We're waiting on Papa Corn to just go over this so I can be excited and rip into the Bitcoin TA. Blue balling me here, Bitcoin. Blue balling me. Maker trading up to 1198. Wow. Was as low as 766 yesterday. Nano bouncing off $1.50 support, busting through $2.08 resistance. Need to see a close there though. Trading as high as $2.43, which is, I believe, just below our measured move. I don't know why it doesn't have it on this chart. Maybe it's only on a lower time frame. Or got deleted, I don't know. We're looking for $2.56 on Nano. Four-hour closed above previous resistance. That's a good sign. Nano, MATIC, Maker. Dude, there's so many coins to keep track of. Holy crap. Let's bring up the links as well. What's links doing? This isn't a messy chart. I don't know what is. Showing strength out of nowhere. I dig it. Pushing up through multiple resistances on the way up here. Link trading up to $17.29 today. Very nice. We have we had a high and a lower low and now a higher high. That's a confusing chart. I think I have them all up now. I even have them in order. I just need to get XRP up. Highlighted in this episode mostly because it's not really doing anything that stands out today. The most exciting chart actually in all of crypto today. We were speculating just last night that we would see potentially 1 trillion this week. I was hesitant to say that day, but I wanted it to be. I believed it. Not quite there yet. We're having some weird issues still with this chart on TradingView. The daily is reflecting different values than the hourly time frames. I don't know what to go by. The daily, though, on TradingView is saying 983 billion. 16.138 billion away from $1 trillion market cap. Absolutely historical. Mind-blowing. $1 trillion, that would put us as probably in the top 5 largest global assets. In March of in March of 2020, the entire crypto market cap was a mere 108 billion. That's almost a 10x. 10x. From 100 billion to 1,000 billion. This is why we think in percents. Because it doesn't matter. It's just about the percent. Roughly 900. No one ever thought we would come here. Maybe you guys did. Maybe I did. But everybody else, nobody else thought we'd ever make it to 1 trillion. For all intents and purposes, we're already at 1 trillion. There's no difference. 983, 1,000. It's the same number. 1%, 2%. 1%, 2%. Somewhere in there. 1.5%. It's a margin of error. God, Bitcoin. It's trolling me so hard, man. Oh my goodness. I swear. I swear. If this just trades sideways for like hours right here, and then I turn the stream off, then it'll explode. No doubt. I'm so trolled. $10.5 million BUSD printed at the PAX treasury just now. What is wrong with my browser? It's really gonna do this to me, isn't it? It's just gonna tease me. Look at this hourly, 4 minutes. Come on, come on, Bitcoin. I went live. I canceled an engagement just to go live, and you're gonna do this to me. I have a confession to make. I'm loving the beard, but it is weird. It is weird to have this beard because the beard will touch the microphone, and then I think I'm too close to it. Beard problems. Hashtag beard problems. Canceled a one-on-one with the patron. First time I've ever done it. In preparation for this. Now you're just gonna leave me hanging. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Beard life. Dixie is strong. I just saw that randomly. I haven't even looked at the Dixie today. Something tells me it likely isn't. Well, I do appreciate that person's opinion. But that does not look like strength in my opinion on the Dixie. That looks pretty shite. Pretty shite. Still though coming off daily bullish divergence on RSI. That's been there. It just cannot seem to catch bids. Just can't seem to catch bids. I don't know why. I'm looking for 88.7 on the Dixie. And that's like short term. I'm looking for much lower. Looking for much lower long term. Just 7 years ago, 2017, the Dixie was at 80. Traded as high as 103. And methinks she going back to the 80 over time. I guess it depends how the next few months play out. Could be lower. But nothing to fear. Dixie going down, everybody's happy. Everyone stays happy when the Dixie goes down, including Bitcoin. In the last minute and 50 seconds here, we finally gonna get what I'm waiting for. Like, can we do this already? You made me wait. Made me wait 25 minutes. There we go. The 26th minute. Perhaps. Come on, buddy. So ridiculous. Dixie Chicks. What's up there, bud? 3 Red Ducks, how you doing? MRFC, what's up, my friend? Noel, B. Viner. Ruben, Molinares. Swagmaster 69. Brek. Brek. I don't know, I just like that name. Makes me say weird stuff. Grayscale fund up another 20% today, I believe it. Hopefully they start buying again. They will. Discord didn't let you know that we were going on. We haven't really gotten into the TA yet. I was gonna wait to stream till we got this price point. 3,500. 35,365. And it's been teasing me since. So come on, 26 seconds. You know you're gonna do it. Don't, like, this is ridiculous. You know you're gonna do it. Just do it. Like, we got the hourly kissing. What else can you ask for? Oh my goodness. 6 seconds, please. Please don't just close right here. Keep going. And he closed right there. Of course he did. Alright. Either blast through it or slowly backtest 35,045. Bitcoin has officially trolled me again. That's okay. Can't really be that mad at something that's gone up hundreds and hundreds of percents in less than a year. Can't be that upset. Might as well get to the TA then. Screw you, Bitcoin being a dig. What's up? Chef X Silent 69, thanks for subscribing. Shout out. Good to have you. Let's take a look here. Coming off bullish divergence on the 12-hour, 6-hour, and 4-hour. On our swing lows on the 4th and 5th of January. Played out as expected. Daily MACD, strong. Back to momentum gaining yesterday. Squeaked out that momentum gaining candle. Looking to close the second one. 5 hours to go in this daily. Never count a candle until it closes. 12-hour back to momentum gaining. Similar to what we're seeing on the daily. The last 12-hour candle, the highest ever closed in Bitcoin history. Currently a hammer with 5 hours to go. Can't be using that to trade though. To recap, 12-hour, we saw the middle Bollinger Band of the 20 moving average hold as support on the 4th. That is why we were looking for a bounce. We got the bounce. When we zoom into the 6-hour, we see a little more information here. We saw that the bounce really was the 50 moving average on the 6-hour. Buying price back up to close above the 20. Very technical, very nice. Did get a little chop here where you closed below. Fake out. But we can see here on the 6-hour now. Pretty obvious. Pretty visible. Triangulo. Looking to break to the upside, fingers crossed. See what the TA has to say. 6 hours continuing to gain momentum. We saw that on the 6-hour gaining momentum. Backing up what we're seeing on the daily, backing up what we're seeing on the 12-hour. RSI, not looking good. On the 6 hours. Doesn't look good. This is bearish divergence everywhere. But buying momentum is still picking up. We've seen this set up on almost every time frame. I guess maybe it's the 6 hours turn, where we paint bearish divergence over and over and over and over again, just to eventually push up, put in a new RSI high, and invalidate all that bearish divergence that was built up in one swoop. We saw this on many time frames. That's what I'm looking for here. Yet again. We have the weak bearish signal on Ichi on the 6 hour. Likely this consolidation, these two red 6 hour candles in a row, likely a product of that. Here we go, boys. There we are. Redemption. All of the bells. All of the bells. Ring all the bells. Let's go. Flaggity flag. Breaking out. There we are. Rise. Let's get some pump jams. Let's put on the classic. Classic. Is it playing? Can't hear it. I feel like maybe this song's just really quiet. I'll turn it up. Boom. 34,450. All the patrons say privy to this special number. We saw this 4 hour trade down and bounce it. It was a 12 hour, a 6 hour, and a 4 hour support. With 54 minutes left in this 4 hour, we are currently bullish engulfed. Important value here that basically we just found, because now we're bullish engulfed. 35,023. The close of this 4 hour below is no longer bullish engulfed. In my opinion, not likely. This candle on momentum just flipping back to the increased momentum side. This is like clockwork. Clockwork. We nailed this today in the warm-up. We were looking for short-term, mild downside, and then for the longer time frames, gaining momentum to retake control. And that does look like what we have here. 2 hour fake out boom. We saw momentum waning for 12 hours plus. And right now, still halfway of this candle to go. So I guess this could change, but just about halfway through this candle, fake out, momentum, moving back. All of this preceded by the 1 hour rolling over, looking to roll over in combination with bullish divergence on the lows. No, not that low. These lows. Beautiful. I will leave nothing of you in my wake, Kratos. Boom. Maybe now you can see why I was waiting for this level. Not that it's really gone anywhere, but this is kind of what I was like hoping to start the stream on. This move. Whatever. Is what it is. Trading. Trading, let's see where we're at. Just 0.72 below the previous all-time high of today. Looking to test it, at least test it, if not break it here. And let's check out total. This is what I really would like to see in this stream today. I want a 1 trillion market cap. That is my Christmas wish. It's my shooting star wish. It is looking likely. See, the 15-minute momentum is up. 30-minute momentum has just rolled over and now is up. 45-minute, there we go. There's the rollover. Just rolling over on the 45-minute. 60 being the hourly. There we are. All right, still gaining momentum. We don't even have time to roll through stuff. It's picking up. We see the 20 moving average on the 30-minute looked to cross bearishly with the 50, instead rejecting, pulling, curling back up, and prices responding. At this candle, or I'd say this candle, you would have assumed we would have a bearish cross on this candle. Didn't happen. Shot back up. Started flexing. Costco Kid, you're only up 988%. Those are rookie numbers. I'm just playing, man. Congratulations. That's amazing. Well done. All right, Bitcoin, I guess we'll wait for you to move again. I know the minute I look away, you're going to move. So let's look away. Let's check out... What's up on the slate? It's slated. My YouTube wasn't updating. I was gonna say, do we really only have 200 people here? All right, we're back to our low usual numbers. 370 watching. Welcome, guys. You're here for a very special, spicy episode, I have a feeling. Let's get the shills out of the way. It's about the right time in the episode. If you haven't given the new stream a like yet, please do. Please do. We're live every day. Every like that this stream gets is engagement, and engagement on the YouTube platform is virtually the single deciding factor of how many people they show your stream to. So please give the stream a like if you haven't. We have been blasting these numbers. Blasting. Blasting. Let me see. Let me see our count. Wow. 16,750. We just broke 16,000 subscribers like a few days ago. We're almost to 17. Guys, the spots to subscribe pre 20K subscribers are drying up. They're drying up fast. They're going. There's only one chance. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. Help us get to that 20,000 goal. Deeply, deeply appreciate everybody. You guys have made this all possible. Love you all. All 16,750 of you. Shill's almost over, I promise. Discord. If you're not in the Discord yet, get in the Discord. It's the only way to know when we go live. YouTube randomly won't tell you. No reason. But if you're in the Discord, you'll always get a notification of when we go live, and when we do, you don't want to miss it. So click those links. It's pinned to the top of the chat. People are spamming it. It's everywhere. You can't miss it. It's free. There's educational resources. There's 24/7 live stream charts after our live episodes. I take that day's chart and I put it on the Discord to stream all night so you guys can follow along with what we were looking at in stream. That way you can call me out. Tell me I'm terrible when I'm wrong. Etc. Lots of educational resources and such in there, so get in there, join the party. It never sleeps. And last but not least, we're getting into the alts after this, don't worry. Last but not least, certainly not least. In fact, the opposite of least, maybe the most. If it will load, if anything will load. I need to get a new internet. I need one new internet, please. Can someone send me just one internet? because mine does not work. Honestly, I'd be surprised if we weren't even like disconnecting right now, because well, I can't even open the page. Can't even open the page. How am I supposed to shill? Whatever. I guess I can't show you. Check out the Patreon. Thank you, Digimedia Dude, for your one internet. Check out the Patreon, guys. One-on-one.
Can you look at XLM?
Sarur. Althebe. Brother, I would love to look at XLM. Thank you for the 5, man. I appreciate the support. Let me just finish this shill. Patron. Anyone looking to upgrade their trade? Looking to have one-on-one tutoring, mentoring in crypto trading with me? Check out the Patreon. Daily exclusive technical analysis posts, trade setups, macro market analysis, all kinds of goodies.
Shout out to your future farmers, Tan.
Holy Archiscan. You are the best. I love you, brother. I see you. I see you one-upping yourself with the 100, the 101, 102, 103. I see it. Don't think it goes unnoticed. Alright, for Soror. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong. It's a good name. And also, by the way, Archiscan, I do appreciate you, not just for the donations, but for thinking about my future tan. I'm not a sun person, as you can tell by the tone of my skin. My people do not like the sun. We're night walkers mostly. So my farmers burn. Cheers to my farmers burn. It's coming. Let's take a look at XLM, because XLM is melting faces today. Straight up melting faces. After breaking 20 cents monthly resistance from November's climb to December's sell-off, we saw XLM break 20 cents and go absolutely ape. Trading up to 40 cents. From bottom to top. From the bottom of this monthly to the top, XLM, an insane 260.31% in 1 month. From bottom. March's bottom to top. 1,530%. Incredible. If you were with us the last few days, you would be aware. This is why you got to be in the Discord, so you can catch our streams. If you've been here the last few days, we've talked about XLM every single episode. We've talked about XLM, and today explodes. Not a coincidence. Not a coincidence. Weekly momentum looking amazing. Off the 20 Bollinger Band. Like what more can you ask for? Weekly bouncing the 20 is what moons are made of. The moon is made of 20 moving averages. Right there. Oop. If you'd been here the last multiple episodes, you would have caught us talking. I was saying right here, 27 to 28.1. Lots of liquidity. Markets seek liquidity. So this is highly likely to be tested at least. I believe I even said that yesterday again. Blew straight through it. That is a hungry coin. Hungry coin. This did not act as anything. What is up with TradingView? I keep placing magnet markers on the top of wicks, and it keeps moving around. That's very odd. If you were here the last few days, or I guess even yesterday, no, the day and the before, we looked at, this was a signal for us. We saw selling momentum all but disappear on the 4th. On the 5th, we saw a strong buying momentum candle. And I don't really need to even tell you what happened after that. Everyone knows what happened today. Ooh, I do like this. A rather clean back test of 28.1 cents. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually kind of fancy. That's actually very fancy. We first started looking at this coin on the 3rd or 4th, and it was trading at 15 cents. We said if it can close above 15.4, something like that. Let's see. It was based on moving averages. There we go. We said if it can close above 15.41, that it has upside. It closed well above. We had a bearish cross 20 and 50 moving averages on the daily, a bearish death cross, and we said, nah, that's not going to play out. That doesn't fit with the Tom Crown TA. That was not a valid bear cross, and it did not play out as such. The next day on the 5th, we were looking for a close 19.3 or above. We got it. If we were below it, again, we were looking for a back test. We closed above. I said then we'll be looking for 20 cents, and then to be honest, if we get that close, at least 23 cents. So, I mean, I was wrong by all means, because there, it moved it again. This is trolling me. Wrong by all means, because 40 cents was not my vocabulary yesterday. Maybe it should have been. That is the magic with this space, guys. Whatever your estimates, whatever you can imagine, you're almost certainly underestimating it. No matter what it is you're even looking at, Bitcoin, whatever coin, whatever you can imagine, highly likely you're underestimating it. No matter how grandiose those thoughts might be, that is a beautiful backtest to our beautiful value. XLM's looking wild. 1 hour is finally cooling off after that run. I mean, how could it not? Four hours as well. I'd expect consolidation here. That was a beast move. It is going to be hard. It's going to be hard to put in another green candle. Not impossible, but it's going to be hard for XLM to put in another green candle tomorrow. Closing here. We'll see. Bitcoin did nothing throughout that entire charting time. Good job. Good job. I wonder. Now I'm getting multiple people saying the Discord didn't notify us. Did we get shadow banned from our own Discord? No, I don't think that happened. But what I think might have happened, I don't know, man. Everyone should have gotten a notification. Don't understand. Well, okay, D-Bizzle got it. And he even has them turned off. Alright, excellent. I don't know, Scott. I'll help you after the stream. Go into Discord, click on yourself, make sure you have go to the notifications, make sure you have them enabled. That's all I can say. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. See big moves of Tether to Binance. All right. Bitcoin, let's go. Testing that all-time high.
Can you look at LRC, please?
Darren Marshall, what's up, my man? We can look at LRC Loopring. Yes. Been watching it quite a bit, actually, in the last few days. I'll take a look at that for you. God. Bitcoin. It's teasing me again. Take a look at that loop. The loop-de-doop. What's up, Uncle Tone? Loopring. Daily is still okay, despite this red candle momentum still gaining. Still gaining. Here is your issue. This is my only issue with Loopring here. You're right in the middle. You're right at a psychological level, 50 cents. It's not a real traded level. It's not a real resistance. It's just in people's heads. And here's the problem. You have a 92-cent resistance or target above you. You have a 25-cent support below you. Right now you're in the middle of this channel. Right in the middle. Opening a trade right here, not very wise. Not very wise. This is likely to consolidate. Let's just throw it up there. Triangle. Give me my triangles. Likely to just consolidate, flag out, and then you're gonna pick one of the two. You're either gonna go back test support, or you're gonna test the resistance above. Not much in the middle. We can look at lower time frames and see if we find anything that might help us decide. There's something very weird going on with my computer. You can't find any songs to play. Don't tell me that, pretzel player. There we go. Sarur. Althebe, my brother, thank you. You are amazing, my man. You're amazing. LRC on the 4-hour, you have the 20 moving average. So far acted as support, but that 50-cent psychological level still existing, still reminding us it is there. You could. You know what? Nope, not gonna answer that. Because we're just doing the TA here. Don't want to close 4 hours below the 20 moving average here. You already called it as support once. You may test it again. You don't want to start closing underneath. MACD. Momentum. This swing on momentum is the largest in its history, maybe, it seems. So likely to suggest bullish divergence is going to form. But we haven't seen selling momentum slow down yet. It's still continuing on the 4-hour. The 12-hour is waning, but is still in buying. And the daily is set. Daily is still gaining momentum. Literally, it's just as I said. It's just likely to flag out. You know what? Let's make the middle point 50 cents because that's what I think is likely anyway. You're right at the middle. You're just in the middle. The 1-hour finally rolled over. Did paint divergence in RSI. Wait, didn't it? Didn't it? Not locally, but this swing low is a very powerful swing low, but did not move price much. You may get a short-term bullish signal there. Short-term bullish read. But I'm of the opinion there's no edge here. This is a bad place to take a trade, in my opinion, because you're just right in the middle. You're right in the middle of the channel. You have roughly the same amount of downside as upside. The risk to reward here is like 1 to 1. It is not good. You have a 49% downside to this 80% upside. I don't know, something like that. 2 to 1. Not the best. I would wait for some kind of signal, hopefully on the 4 hour. Maybe a close above 50 cents on the 4 hour. Something here that's going to give you more direction, because we don't have it yet. This is likely, in my opinion, to just trade sideways. We will see. Thank you again, though, Darren and Marshall. It's good to have you here, brother. Yeah. That water tasted terrible. It was not good water. And it also wasn't the water bottle I brought in here. All right, there we go, Bitcoin. There we go. Finally. All right. Retesting highs. Call number 1 of the stream complete. That's within the margin. That's within my acceptable margin of error. I still won't completely call it yet because you guys know I'm a perfectionist. But $18 or 0.00005%. That's pretty darn close. Very likely to retest the high here. Call number 2. Fingers crossed. I don't want to retest the high. I want a new high. I want a new all-time high. I'm addicted to all-time highs now. I've had them every day. Why? Why could we be addicted? Why? Looking at our local, just local movements, we can see some pretty impressive numbers ahead or above. We have, let's just call this 40. Local measured moves at 38 would be a very close target. A $3,000 move, guys, at this point, remember, is less than 10%. Not a big jump for Bitcoin. If we look at our larger structure, this is when it gets spicy. This is when it gets real spicy. Very spices. Above we have 41.8, which lines up pretty well with the local measured move. So I'm going to go ahead and just say these are basically the same. Under extremely bullish conditions, we're looking at 46.8. Just for the measured move. 41. I don't know what I'm on today. 41.8. Dude, these decimals and digits are getting in my head. They just keep changing every day. I was right. Wow. Under extremely bullish conditions, 46.8. And on, in my opinion, what would be potentially a blow-off top, we would look to 50 up to 55,000. In my opinion, if that happened in one move, we would have a blow off top and we would retrace. Almost guaranteed. But these are all hopiums for now. We have to break the high. We have to break the high first. If we haven't already while I was rambling. So close. So very close. 30-minute, new 30-minute candle just opened right underneath the previous high. Take your bets, boys. Take your bets.
Can you check OXT, please?
Brandon Rodriguez. What's up, my brother? What is up, my man? Can I check OXT? Yes. I don't want to look away from Bitcoin though. It's calling me. Do you feel it? Calling your name? rid of one of my tabs.
W pump 20 drop W pump.
What's up, Ultra Chaos Steve? How you doing, brother? W pump. It does look a little W-ish. Does look W-ish. And no, Brandon Rodriguez, I have not forgotten. Though, if I do forget, feel free to remind me. 418i, that is beautiful. I'm not a fan of harmonics, but I do have a way I kind of interpret them my own, like by myself. I don't know if this is how you actually use them. But I love to see 618 retracements that are caught by either the 382 or the 236. We can see that's pretty much exactly what happened here. For continuation, though harmonics would then say this is a bearish harmonic. That would be rejected up here at the, I don't know. Harmonics not a jam in crypto. Alright, Bitcoin relax for a second, OXT time. I'm going to set a lot of annoying alerts, so if it happens while I'm doing this, I'll know. OXTsels. Have not looked at this coin in quite some time. After I mean, if not the best, one of the best Tom Crown calls ever on OXT. Actually, you know, we had two. It's weird that I don't really trade OXT. I don't really have much. Because I don't know if I've ever had a chart that I've pegged harder than this one. Ever. Go back in the videos, I have no idea when. 2019. I was calling before OXT was even listed on Coinbase, before it started trading. I was calling for 10 cents. That's what I valued it at, 10 cents. And I said I would not touch it above 10 cents. Took a little bit. Traded at 9.66 cents. So there you go. Number one. That was one of my greatest calls of all time. Number two. I believe this was a patron post. It was from 18 cents. We were looking for 75.60, overshot to $1. So doesn't make sense why I don't own this coin. I mean, I own some, but some of my greatest successes here. Let's see if I can pull off a third one. We'll find out. Will I make the third OXT prophecy? What have you got for me, OXT? You have some daily bullish divergence on MACD and RSI. That's not surprising. You see green candles. Somewhat strong resistance right here at $3. 30 cents. Jeez, man. My brain's fried. I've already done a good bit of streaming today. Good bit of resistance here at 30 cents. Closing the daily above 30 cents. You're looking for 34 cents, upwards of 45 cents. 45.68 cents. Target from quite some time ago that we never ended up getting to, unfortunately. Well, never got back to it. Let's take a look. I have no indicators on here. Ooh, those are some ugly moving averages. What? Though we do have a powerful setup. We saw this on Loopring on the daily. We've seen this on BCH. We've seen this on TRX, I believe. We have a powerful moving average setup on the daily where we see the 50, the 100, the 200, and the 20 bunched up. This doesn't necessarily favor either direction, but typically precedes a large move. At this point, that would seem to the upside. You look at the weekly. Bitcoin's chilling. There we are. OXT just still in its trading range. Really, really, really need to close a weekly above 34 cents. Oh, you got the, oh man. You got the Ripple weekly fake out. Oh man, that's not good. We see this on Ripple, where selling momentum waned off, flipped to buying momentum, and was just absolutely smashed. To be honest, this might be a characteristic of a centralized coin. Don't know. But selling momentum's continuing on the weekly. I'm not a toucher of this coin until it can get back above 34.12 cents. Until then, no thank you. No thank you. That weekly is spooky. Fighting heavy resistance in the 30s. I got no edge for you, brother. I tried my best, Brandon Rodriguez. Watch out for that 30 cents or 29.999. Watch out. ETHUSD. I'm gonna take a little peek at this again. Ethereum's just giving no Fs, man. Given very few. Rounded down to 0. 0 Fs. Let's see if we can find a better measured move. Recent high now at 12.15. Your move not really lining up with anything. Let's check out. I have an idea. We'll check this out. What? Man, nothing again. Nothing's lining up. It's weird. Usually it does. Just can't get a measured move. Can a brother get a measured move? I mean, this is... I don't want to use this one. This is too cherry-picked. But the 4618 of December 17th to 23rd lines up with the all-time high. That's too cherry-picked even for my blood. Murray MacArthur. Thanks for subscribing, my friend. Good to have you in the fam. Friendly reminder to everyone else. Help us get to 20,000 subscribers. You can be part of it too. Just hit that button. Smash that bell. Join our fam. Taking a deeper look at Ethereum. And bearish divergence on low time frames. If that isn't 2020, the end of 2020 into 2021, I don't know what is. Beautiful 4-hour fake out to the downside. That's the opposite of what we just saw in the weekly on OXT. We have that fake out, flip momentum, get smashed. Sounds like fun. Looks like we'll have pretty strong support at 1,051. We see the 20 moving average moving up to it on the 4-hour. Likely to find support as well at 1,105. Man, just running away. 12-hour momentum is still gaining, but it does appear as if that momentum is slowing down, but that is not seen on the daily. The daily looking stronger than the 12-hour. Projecting. I mean, that might maybe suggesting that upside is favored farther out. I don't know. And we'll see maybe a lapse in momentum that gets picked up again. Weekly beautiful. Although, are we at this little weekly resistance? Yep. Okay, well, I missed this. This isn't, in my opinion, this isn't going to be the deciding factor. But we are at a weekly resistance. I believe we're out of monthly resistances, though. But weekly resistance within pennies of where we've touched today. In fact, just exactly there. 1215.98 is the highest it's traded today on Coinbase. 1215.01 the weekly resistance. However, we look to the left, and this is just 1 hour candles. We see that this is really par for the course. This is the same move we've seen as we keep stepping higher. I believe 1215 unlikely to be the tops for Ethereum this year. Last weekly resistance 1365 and the all-time high sitting at 1419. Man, when these prices come, it's just all over. Okay, there are no more monthly resistances. Ethereum is officially above all monthly resistances. The last one was our target, 1105. That's why we picked it. We're not future tellers here. We're not psychic. We just go by the chart. Sometimes it can appear magical. It is indeed not magical. Though if you'd like to think I'm magical, I'm probably okay with that. $11.68.94. I like it. I like it. May just be looking for a little bounceroo right here. A little back testy and go. We'll see. Should be decent local support at 1189. Let's see if we get the hook and go. Let's check out some other coins. Please don't alert me every second. What do we got? Bitcoin is not setting off any alerts. These are old. I have to mute it and flash through these. Yep. Alright, now I can unmute it. Sweet. Nano, nano, nano. My nano. Nano daily looking great. On MACD, momentum is increasing. RSI, though, a little problematic, not setting a higher high despite a higher high in price. Nano definitely, just as it was the other day when we looked at it, looking to close above $2.08. If it gets it, likely to see the next daily candle backtest it, and then we may see it run. That backtest holds of $2.08. Probably looking for $5 on this biddy. $5. I'll take it. I've had some Nano in a wallet somewhere for a very long time, and I welcome it. Welcome it. to get a little gains. Weekly somehow doesn't have bearish divergence for whatever reason. Weekly doesn't, daily does. It's very odd. Rather odd. Could suggest that we have more upside. $5 fits that bill rather well, is what it is. This is very technical though. I liked this. We caught this. We didn't go over it again yesterday, even though it was in the title and I meant to. But we did go over it. I think it was the 3rd or the 4th. That's what we were looking for. Close above support, close above resistance. Back test. Test next resistance. Everything seems a little like not, I don't want to say overly bullish because that implies it's bad. But overly bullish as in overshooting resistances. Everything seems to be doing it. It's wild. MATIC. MATIC putting in a new high. Trading at heights not seen since 2019. I don't know if anybody remembers this, but I remember watching it and this was wild. This was a really wild candle. I think Binance had just listed futures for it right here, and God knows what happened. Some kind of liquidation chain, I don't know, something. And the price just in such a short time period dropped like 80%, like a day or two. It was wild. All right, let's see. I remember when there wasn't enough data on this coin to chart it. Now look at us. Now look at us. We're charting on the weekly. When you see coins grow up, man. When you see them coins grow up. 41 cents as weekly resistance above on the MATIC. Weekly looking good on momentum and RSI. I'd like to see today close above 3 cents, ideally above 3.16 cents. I'd like to see it close back in this trend line. Not, this isn't completely necessary or anything, but I would feel more comfortable. Would feel more comfortable if it did to look for that 41 cents above. $45.4 all-time high. Looking good, looking technical. We have that same setup that we just looked at with, I believe it was Loopring. We have the coiled moving averages, and this is caused by a very long 200 minimum day period. Actually, it needs to be more than that probably. But 200 minimum period of trading virtually sideways. And we can see MATIC and dollar value has traded virtually sideways for almost 600 days. That is why, or that is the source of the power of these setups. Or is it the longer the board, the bigger the jump? I don't know, something like that. Something like that. Something along those lines. You guys crack me up. You guys crack me up. You know what? I don't think we have looked at XVG, so we will. XVG, we were looking at this quite some time ago. I recommended, as weird as it sounds, that there was likely some nice entries here. This was back in December. We can see, and I have not actually seen this till right now, opening this chart. We got a perfect touch off our ascending low trend line. Beaut. It's a beaut. For me, it was, yeah, the 20 daily. The 20 daily really sold this for me when we were kind of trading sideways here. You can see that price was not rejecting from it and not bouncing, really just moving sideways as everything else caught up. We have our measured targets above, starting at 2 cents, all the way up to 4 cents for the 0.5 or 618 retrace of the total move. Let's see if there's anything more local here. Lines up pretty good. RSI has plenty of room to run. Don't want to see a rejection here though. Rejection here could create bearish divergence on the daily. Momentum looking good though. Zoom this out. The monthly having flipped over in June. Good timing. Good timing, XVG. That monthly looks beast. This will probably make it look more familiar. Now let's play, what's that pattern? What would you call this pattern if you didn't know what this was right now? Pop quiz. Pop quiz, pop quiz, pop quiz. Looks like a head and shoulders. It's inverted, so inverted head and shoulders. I'm looking for 2 cents on the verge. On the Virgils. MATIC, we already looked at you. Maker, we didn't look at you. Maker, at least on Coinbase, setting a new all-time high. Daily momentum looking rather fine. 4-hour momentum still gaining. 1-hour momentum still gaining. It's weird. Just out in space. It's a great move for Maker, but man, will it be hard to find somewhere that you might want to enter. Because definitely do not want to enter right here at the top of this candle at the highest it's traded on this exchange. Not a good idea. $785. Okay. Lines up at the 0.5. All right, well, this is where I would look if I wanted to enter. 785. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think we really looked at KNC. But it has not chilled apparently since we started streaming. Breaking through $1, pushing up to $1.18. Previous support broken, turned resistance. MACD still gaining momentum, but it is a little hot. This MACD swing is a little hot. KNC is really going to have to push that price up. Really going to have to push that price up significantly, or else it may be a floundering rally. Bitcoin, on the other hand, just JK trolling us, heading right back to 35.23. Are we going to test 34,450? Should be a strong support. .5 retrace 34770. That would be a solid place to bounce. Give us a 5-0. Give us a 5-0. Check. Give me that 5-0. Oh man, if it bounced here, that'd be nuts. Do it. Do it, do it. Well, we could be getting a 5-0 here. Harmonic technical pattern. As we saw rejection from the 0. Sell off. If we bounce at the 0.5 retrace, that is considered extremely bullish. Don't know if we're going to get it, but that's the only reason I had that number. I guess also it is backtesting the descending high trend as well. Convergence, overlapping of significance there. But even if that doesn't hold, 34,450 likely to be a very strong support. Well, that felt good. Wow, little fake out candle there on the hourly, just trading up and right back down. Now it's getting spicy. That 4-hour got squashed. It just opened the next 4-hour 2 minutes ago. Momentum on the buy side is waning, is relaxing. It's weird. It's really strange. So the 6-hour, which is where a lot of what we're looking at TA-wise came from, the 6-hour shows momentum is still growing here. When we flip down to the 5-hour, the 5-hour says we're losing momentum, and the 4-hour. That's unusual. I would have expected the 6-hour to lose it first. 3-hour. 2-hour. Man, we are going to see a move here, though, either way. The 1-hour looking to roll over to buying, the 2-hour looking to roll over to selling. This is what moves are made of. This is how moves are born. Baby moves. Baby moves. Up to the 5-minute. $40 million USD. What was it? USD what? 40 million USDC just printed at Treasury. Fresh ammo for buying. price not really looking to bounce though, maybe. At this 5.0, that's fine. That's kind of just off the cusp. But I'm liking how the 5-minute is dragging our indicators down. Irrelevant. Now it's heating up. Now we're nice and spicy. $34,450. It's all on you now, buddy. It's all on you. The 618 retrace of our swing low is on the 5-minute. From today to the swing high today. Lines up extremely well with our 34,450. Man, every reason to bounce there. 34,450, every reason. Every reason. But go ahead. Go ahead, Bitcoin, go ahead. Come on, Bones. Yo, Wolfpack, brother. It's good to see you. Brother Wolfpack. A rare treat to have you here. 500 viewers. We have hit 500 viewers every day this year in our live streams, and it's effing amazing. I love it, guys. Just a few months ago, we were averaging 100 viewers if we were lucky. We're at 500. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. Ooh, there we go. Tickling 34,450. Let's see what happens. Breaking that level, not really a good sign if we actually break it. We have 32,888 below us. It would not be ideal. However, I think that 34,450 holds. It has mountains of reasons to be a strong support. We're about to find out. That is for sure. It's on the 5-minute, makes it crazy. Whew, just months ago, 100 viewers, we were like averaging just above. Now we're at 500. It's freaking amazing. I appreciate every single one of you that comes here. We're live every day, right here. Moving with the market, watching the market, catching the moves before they come. So hopefully you'll continue to tune in every day. We're not done streaming yet at all, but hopefully you continue to tune in here. We are up to 16,820 subscribers. That means only 180 to go to 17,000. We just broke 16,000 within the last 7 days. It's the largest growth we've ever seen on this channel, by far. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do help us get to our 20,000 milestone. We're trying to keep up with Bitcoin, and it's not easy. It's really not easy. As well as we're live every day. We go live when the market is moving. We don't have a set time. If the market's not doing much, 4 p.m. Eastern is when we typically go on. But a lot of the time that doesn't line up with what the market wants. So the only way to make sure you catch our daily lives is to be in Discord. Discord will always give you a notification. YouTube, for whatever reason, doesn't show us to our subscribers from time to time. So make sure you're in the Discord. There's also 24/7 live streamed TA, chat, educational resources, and after the show, bonus. After the show, I put up the streams chart from that day. Every day, we make a new chart. New chart, new start. It's our new motto of today. We stream it live after the show, so you can follow along. Another bonus to being in Discord. So make sure you're in there. All these new faces joining us. Don't get lost. Don't get lost. Stay here. Last but not least, check out the Patreon. If you're looking for one-on-one crypto mentoring, exclusive technical analysis, trade setups, macro market analysis, all the goodies, along with Patron Night. Huge value. Check it out. Designed for those looking to invest in themselves to become better traders, stronger traders, more confident traders that aren't relying on other people to tell them what to do. Instead, for people who wish to interpret charts themselves, Patron is for you. This keeps happening. MATIC selling back under where we prefer it to close, but still has that 3 cents intact for now. Gonna watch that close. XVG. 1 cent bare minimum. Gotta close above 1 cent. Bare minimum. Or this rally just gets faded and irrelevant. Seems that alts are retracting a bit. We see NEO fell under $2.08. Is this a pattern? It's a pattern. Multiple coins that were just above support or previous resistance back below. Ethereum breaking through 1168. So this little V was not correct. Let's see. 1105. Plenty of strength to be found there. 1051. Plenty of strength to be found in this zone. Nothing to worry about in my opinion for Ethereum at this point. We see a pretty similar 4-hour formation on each move up where we set a high with a wick. It's followed by a bearish engulf in the 4-hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, possibly. Pretty par for the course at this point. 4-hour momentum, not looking great, although we're only 12 minutes into this 4-hour. So I should get off the 4-hour chart because they are irrelevant. Only 12 minutes in. XLM. Looks like that 28.1 cent back test did hold on the 4-hour and then sold off. Looking for 27.36 to hold here on this 4-hour, and if not, you got 23.5 below previous high. So far, still not really worried about that one either. Loop in our box. OXT. Oh, I told you. You gotta watch out for that $2.99. Ooh. Did not like, on the 4-hour, OXT did not like that $2.99. Bitcoin battling here at battling at 34,450. The war is on. This is on the 5 minutes, so it's actually not that exciting. Going to want to bounce from this level. Bitcoin does not want to close below 34,450 or really we see something we haven't seen yet. Nah, I guess it's not that crazy. I think we bounce here. But if we don't, let's see. Let's see what that would look like. All right, wow. Still flirting with that value. Still skeptical. I'm seeing Wolfpack say that he wants to watch the 1 second chart. I'll put that on for a minute. 60 candles. Man, not a single person subscribed after I said how many subscribers we had. That's unusual. Oh well. When you're ready. When you're ready, we'll be here. 583 watching. This is likely a record for our channel, for our live streams. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the fam. This is your new home. Welcome here. We don't ever look at the 1 second chart, but it just felt right for a minute here. Just felt right. With all the chaos in the world, it's just fitting to watch Bitcoin on the 1 second every once in a while. Nexo, the only coin that is up in the last 1 hour. Nexo. Stellar, Maker, Nano, Status, Verge, Kyber, Nem, Cardano, and Elrond. Holding the top 10 spots for 24-hour change, despite having given up some of their gains they made in the last 24 hours. There we go. Much better, Bitcoin. Much better. You were starting to like give me a little kind of like, what are you doing? Bounce that. Let's smack it. There we go. Don't close a candle below 34,450. Don't do that. Go on. Move it up. Move it up. Everyone joining us, please remember to smash that like button. This is, wow, this is the highest viewership we've ever had live. Guys, humble me every day. You humble me. 630 watching. My God, please smash that like button. If we got to 1,000 viewers live, I don't even know. I don't even know what I would do. I have no idea. I'd freak out. It has a weird title. Weird title on that guy's video. You guys want to see me hype? Let's get 1,000 viewers. I'm not sure. I'm not prepared. Not prepared for that today. But yeah, please smash that like button. That'll help YouTube. It'll encourage YouTube to show us to more viewers. If you're not subscribed, subscribing helps too. We're so close to 17,000. So very close. We'd love to have you here. We're live every day. Every day. is amazing. Don't forget to join the Discord. Link is pinned to the top of the chat and probably being spammed everywhere. Looks like everything looking for a little bounce here with Bitcoin. XVG pushed back up. MATIC pushed back up. Maker, I actually don't remember. ADA still losing a little bit of its gains. KNC getting faded by that $1.18 resistance. XRP doing nothing. Ethereum hesitant to backtest our $1,105 target, it seems. That was our target at $784, not our target now. But if we see continued selling, 1,105 on Ethereum is where I would look for a bounce. You have 1,051 underneath that. And below that, you really re-enter the void, unfortunately. You want to close this daily above 1105. You want to. We had our Ethereum void from 784 all the way up to 1105. And unfortunately, voids work in both directions. So if you close back under it, you have nothing below you. Yeah, nothing below you. But so far looking just fine. Daily momentum intact even at these prices. We see Bitcoin battling it out here. 34,450. That's the key price. We gotta hold it for this local move. So far so good. We see that the 30-minute nor the hour is looking to close underneath it at this point. That's a good sign. Joe Doe Crypto, what's up, bro? You've been with me for years. Well, I've appreciated you for years then, bud. Jim Humans, Brenda, Hendrick, Great Condor. Cheers to you, my friend. 8 minutes to go to close this 30-minute. Pump it. Pump it up. Bounce 34,450. Our closest, strongest resistance or support that we identified hours ago today. Tomas Vine, what's up, bro? Kanto Ino, TJ, Jack Long, Mr. Reddy, the talented Mr. Reddy, Jerry, my brother's here. Justin Bond, my portfolio has been breached. JOW, what's up? AK, Cam, Joe Egan, looking at ETH. We've looked at ETH a bunch. We'll almost certainly look at it again. EV data saying it's going to go lower. We'll see, buddy. We'll see. At 34,450 seems to be holding for now. Zachary Darius, Eli Harrison, Tommy 86, Brams 18, Powell Kalata, John Cannon. I like that name. Taylor Holiday, Ashy. What's up, Ashy? All caps. Pranjal Shrivas. What's up, dude? Zach, my boy. XLM indicator's not looking too hot. I believe it. I mean, I believe it. You can't run that hot and look that good. You have to pull back. You have to chill. That's what's so confusing about this bull run on Bitcoin. So we have not seen the chill, though, so far in XLM. Our liquidity zone could be holding. Could be holding as support. That's 27.36 cents to 28.1 cent. 4 hour closing above that level. Very good sign. It really just looks like everything pulled back under resistance with Bitcoin. Bitcoin teased our support. That's really what it looks like for on my side here. Kind of scanning through these. Doesn't look like these are actually significant moves going on. Just looks like it's a response to Bitcoin and this little spook it had here. Trading all the way down to our support, reaching it for a second before 5 minutes to go, bullish engulfing. Still 5 minutes to go. The higher this pushes, the more wild this actually can get. The next 5 minutes here. If it gets back above 35, 365, oh bud. Oh there, bud. But that's hopium, probably won't happen. My back is not happy. And move this chair. There we go. Now that's good. Jerry Macy, my man. Josh Durham, the beautiful Josh. Who else did I miss? Some bots, maybe. Some bot action. People spamming stuff. Spamming is not the way to get what you want in the world. Bad Saf, my man. You've been here. You know. Vicky Goodner, Coin Collector. I don't know if you're still here, my man, but what's up? Everyone trying to say Bitcoin, blah, 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 anything to do with whatever news you're thinking of. Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin does not care about your news, bud. This is not even a sell-off. This is a 4% move that's immediately met with buying. Be very careful in Bitcoin. Be very careful in Bitcoin projecting your own opinions and thoughts onto Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't care about what you and I care about. Bitcoin cares about nothing. It's just math. It trucks on no matter what. Just keeps going. Arthur Van Hove, thank you, man. It's a big part of the channel. We're kind of covertly a Bitcoin ASMR channel. We don't advertise as such, but it's important. Calmness, very important in crypto, in trading in general. The beautiful Mala, it's good to see you, darling. Good to have you. Hourly candle traded back into a bullish engulf after touching our support. 33 minutes to go. 3 minutes left in this 30-minute candle. 3 minutes left in 15-minute candle. 15 looking to close bullish engulfed for now, though. It is, with 3 minutes to go, too much time still to possibly mess that up. $661 viewers. This is our highest viewership day ever. Give yourselves a pat on the back if you're here. Today is a historic day for our channel, breaking our previous all-time high, I believe, of 600 and something. 600 and change. 665, definitely placing a new all-time high. Make sure you guys have liked and subscribed. Make sure you're in Discord and check out the Patreon. See, how's the fastest shill ever. Only 363 likes though. That is actually very odd. That's very odd for how many viewers we have. Very odd. Suspiciously. We had 666 viewers there for a second. That was cool. I guess we're not going to get to 1,000 viewers today. That would have been awesome. It would have been a dream. I still have faith. 1 minute 35 seconds to close the 15-minute and the 30-minute candle. Plenty of time to move though. This has been a wild ride. This hourly has been a wild ride. We see the 5-minute bullish engulfed off of our support. 15-minute is currently bullish engulfed, but has a minute to close, so we do not know at this point. 30-minute unlikely to close bullish engulfed. And the hourly with 31 minutes left is bullishly engulfing off of our support. It's about to get spicy. It's about to get spicy again. That's right. This time. Only 150. Only 150 more subscribers till 17K. Amazing. What a day. I can't say I'd imagined today would be the way it is. Pretty okay with it. I can live with this. Alright, let's check that 30-minute close. Not the best 30-minute close, but quite a strong 15-minute close. Quite a strong 15-minute close. With 30 minutes left in this hourly. Currently bullish engulfing. This could get very interesting. Continuing to trade up after bouncing that support. Couldn't ask for anything more. Let's go. Let go. You guys feel it? You feel the energy today? You ready? I'm ready. There we go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Break it. Let's smash it. Not only smash the all-time high, let's smash 1,000 viewers. Let's do it. Same time, simultaneously. First time ever. I want to see 1K watching. That would be absolute insanity. Top 10 leading coins and change of the last 7 days. Loopring still sitting at number 1 at 130% despite selling off some of its gains. Dogecoin at number 2 with 126%. If you were a patron, you made a pretty penny, I'm sure, on that trade setup the other day. Why not show it off? We have so many people watching, we might as well show off our goods. Patrons got the scoop on the Dogecoin setup here. Looking to go long from 19 to 15 sats, heaviest at 15. Recommended trade setup was 15 sats to close at 37. And we got it for a clean 145% gain in Bitcoin pair on Dodge. Just an example of the value offered on the Patreon. If you haven't checked it out yet, highly recommend you do. Ethereum. Bitcoin Ethereum pair. Another gem posted to the patrons. We were looking to go long at 02626, 02463, and 02312. all 3 positions were filled and none were stopped out. Beautiful trade setup. We're not done. Phew. Litecoin. Litecoin. We look to go long at 0.004. This one is still kind of meandering, but has not been stopped yet. These positions could potentially be very long-term positions, not in the sense that you have to trade them as long-term positions, but in the sense that these deals may be the last time we see them. XLM 4-hour curled back up. Did it find support in our liquidity zone? Perhaps. Everything just bounced. The everything bounce with Bitcoin. The everything bounce. Verge right back up. Verge gunning for 2 cents. They're just gunning for it. Nano back above $2.08. MATIC blasting back up. Blasting back up. There is a definite seesawing of value going on here today, and we are seeing it across the market. You're seeing value flow back and forth between Bitcoin and altcoins, and it is creating some exciting pumping. Exciting price action. Wow, Tether traded down to 96.2 cents yesterday. I did not know that. Or on the 4th. Random. Very random. Typically, you'll see Tether fluctuate like that, only on really strong Bitcoin rallies. Really, really strong. We did not see that on the 4th. Wasn't a bad day. We actually saw it sell off. That's odd. I wonder if it was the buying power of buying that wick back up, but that's still very unusual. I wonder why. 22 minutes to go on this hourly, looking for 35,365. $15-minute losing its selling momentum. It does appear at this moment that we likely had our bounce at our support. Does appear likely. Market's cooling off. Cooling off, and looks to be deciding its next move. What's up, Matthew Miller? How you doing, brother? Yo, Funny Colors and Kieran Ford. Good to see you guys. There we go. Now my back's very nice. Matthew Miller, your question about inverse head and shoulders pattern. You mean like on the daily on Bitcoin? Sven Moley, what's up, bro? LO. What's up, LO? Tyler Freeman. Guys, today is a chaotic day. It's a chaotic day. What? Why did that ping me? Wow, going nuts. No. What the? I don't want any notifications for messages. I don't message people on TradingView. Today's a chaotic day. Welcome to your sanctuary of calmness. We're gonna be okay. I promise you. We're gonna be okay. The non-coiners, I don't know. I can't speak for them. They've made their own decisions. But we're gonna be okay, guys. I promise. Just stay here. Stay a while and listen. Benut Garange, Caleb Osorio, Agustin, Adam Frazani, Frankie Phillips, what's up, man? Tim Van Doom. I like these names today. Cool names. Yaboku, Dragneel, Neon, Batich. And people, ADA. We've looked at ADA multiple times. I don't know, people are so up the butt about ADA, guys. It hit our retracement target. Has not fully reached 37.36 cents. May not reach it today, but it looks like it's on the schedule. Likely target. Momentum on the daily still building. RSI shows that it needs a little more push upwards. 37, 36 actually is not likely to fulfill that. We'd actually have to see a higher target.
That Patreon tower warm up in Patreon demonstrating how we can confirm that support was fire. Mate, thank you.
My brother Steve. I love you, man. Love you, man. Yeah, we had a great session today. We had a great TA session today. We're going to get back on doing those weekly. With the holiday season, everything kind of got dropped. Julie Brain, Lady Anderson, how you doing, darling? It's good to see you. Hourly closing in 17 minutes. Currently bullish engulfed after trading below our 12, 6, and 4 hour strong local support at 34,450. Trading below there again puts the edge in continuation to the downside. 32.8, 31.7, and 29.3 being the logical levels to look for any kind of bounce below. However, 34,450 is a strong level. And as I said, while this was happening, I don't think it will break here. Don't think that's in the cards for today. Of course, I'm not always right, so. Blood's boiling. Matthew Miller, yes. Yes, man. I think we've been in... You can also call it a cup and handle, too. But yes. With the neckline being 10,500, right? Wait, let me... No, not 10,500. Yeah, 10,500. Certainly is weird looking. But the sell-off in September, back to 9,815, that was the tell of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is not a textbook inverse head and shoulders, but it fits close enough. It's close enough. If we were to... I noticed this actually because of a fluke. Because of an app that I use, the data was messed up. But I owe it. I owe it to that app that I noticed this. So if we do this, if we remove March, we remove March's low, we have a perfect cup and handle. Perfect. For whatever reason, I think it might still be. The app doesn't show, I think it's Bittrex, the exchange, doesn't show data. It just has a flat line there. And that was like the first thing, that was the first time I had thought of it that way. Is that's a perfect cup and handle. As long as you don't have, obviously, this March low. It's interesting. Just an interesting thought. I'm not saying you should dismiss data. I love my data. I'd never say to dismiss it. Man, these 15-minute candles not pulling the strength that they... Not showing the same strength they had at the start of this hourly. However, the hourly is still trading above bullish engulfing with only 13 minutes left. Kception, Casey Anderson. Oh my goodness. Do we have the whole family? Welcome, Casey. Good to have you, darling. There we go. This is what we were talking about. Give us the new all-time high off of this candle. Let's freaking rock and roll. Oh, I know. This is one of the only times that I can say this without being a dick while I say it. I got a meeting with your mom soon. Literally. Literally. I look forward to it, Julie. Alright, just as I was talking crap on it, Bitcoin says don't talk crap on me, and pushes back up, shows that strength. Scott, I call everybody darling. It's not. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. I promise I'll be very nice to your mom. You just can't even say the word mom anymore without it being your mom. You can't even say the word mom anymore without it just sounding like, I don't know, something you shouldn't be saying. It's so true. Alright, I'm ready for this to blast off. Maybe I should go to the bathroom. That always makes Bitcoin move. It's consistently. Anytime I get up while I'm live streaming, something happens. Something of significance. Oh, but you are my darling, Steve. You are my darling. You don't want to be, then. Jean Carlos, what's up? Why am I here? You should be asking, why am I here? There we go, Bitcoin. There it is, all-time high, as predicted. Off the support. Please keep going, so this is cooler than it just like being technically right, which is not really the exciting kind. Let's go. Where are we going, boys? 38,180? Perhaps. Quizás. Let's see if we have any pesky trend lines in the way. Could I have done this before? Yes, of course, but I did not. And yes, we do. $36,000 party, what's up? Right here, right now. Off the support. Called during candle. New all-time high off support. Let's go. Technically right is the most boring kind. Just rip it, dude. Just rip it. Don't sell back under and close and meander. Just rip it. You faked everyone out. You traded under 34,450. Like, you're gonna run now. Go ahead. No need to be shy. No need to be shy, dude. There we go. You just wanted me to put you on the 5-minute. Okay. Alright. No, not the 5-minute, 15-minute. Nice little V-shaped recovery here. Little V for victory. No, what's funny is I just said I should go to the bathroom. Because something will happen.
Farmers burn for the win.
Farmers burn. Yeah, I forgot about that already. Dude, no. I can tan. I'm the black sheep of my family that I'm able to tan. The other is just freckle. But I just said I should go to the bathroom because Bitcoin will do something. Had I gone to the bathroom, this would have happened. Right as I was in there. So I guess I just have to even talk about it. Sets off the YouTube algorithms. The bots. To the moon. To the moon. Just the thought, Vesemir. Just, you know what it is, bro? It's just me having to go pee. Just that's enough. Because Bitcoin wants me to sit here until my bladder explodes and you get on a catheter. Archiscan, my dude, with the 104. You're blowing me away, man. Single-handedly, Archiscan's blowing me away. Much appreciated, my brother. Hype it. Hype it up. Hype it. Sebastian Parday, what's up, bro? Sebastian. How you doing? Remco Lakin. Been a while, bro. Been a while. I've seen you around here and there, like Tom Kempster to the moon. Benote. Ecto Rotary Man. What's up, dude? Long time. Wow. Been a while. Ready, you weird. I love you. Don't you do that again. XLM bouncing. This is like everything now. Everything has broken resistance, pulled back to support and bounce, but didn't really even notice the resistance on the way up. Ethereum now bullish engulfing on the hour. Nano back above $2.08. XVG adjusts where we left it. MATIC pushing back up to its daily highs. Maker pretty much where it was. ADA exactly where it was this entire episode. It's been just directly underneath, yep, our little box here. Little target that was placed God knows how long ago. This box was placed probably 6-7 months ago. Probably. Something like that. KNC's boring. Struggling with $1.18. And we are inching closer and closer. Only 7 billion. We came within 7 billion of $1 trillion 1T market cap. If we hit $1 trillion today, I don't know, man. I'll lose my shit. I don't even know. I don't even know. Do not even know. All right, we're trending steady at 650 viewers. I'll take it. Bitcoin loves chaos, man. If you can be the calm in Bitcoin's chaos storm, you too can come to the moon. The only way. There's no other moon tickets. You must be the calm in the storm. Juliet Duncan, how you doing? Good to see you, darling. $1 trillion, we're almost there. Almost there. Bitcoin rips here. We'll get there. Oh, and it's ripping. Ripping off support. Ripping Schneef. Ripping Schneef off. I've ripped Schneef off support. I've ripped some Schneef off support. Alright, just consider this a loading bar. Don DeFi, what's up, brother? Alex, crypto is a modern day industrial revolution. I like that. I like that idea. I'd thumbs it up. First you learn the T, then you learn the A. Stephen D. Leon, what's up, man? Thank you. Sat here for 30 minutes. Thanks for joining us for 30 minutes. It was a good one. Actually, if you were here for the last hour, that would have been even better. You would have seen in real time what we do here every day. Pretty amazing stuff, occasionally. I wish every time. Tara L, what's up? Wow, wow indeed. We knew though, it's not really that surprising, come on. We've had a new all-time high like every day. It's not that surprising. Matthew Miller. Buddy. Yes. I acknowledged, I agree. Been eyeing up an inverse head and shoulders forever. Doesn't really matter where you draw it from. Just the same pattern. We're in agreement. I see you, fam. I appreciate your inquisitiveness, your curiosity, and your intelligence. We are 25 billion away from a $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin, push the gas pedal down and let's rock and roll. Man, I haven't checked my portfolio in a while. Bill Super, how you doing, man? Bill Super, super guy. Timothy, I got myself trapped in that one. Charbonneau. ETH is currently trading at 1200 again, bouncing similar to Bitcoin. Looking to retest its all-time highs. Them alts got smashed. Number go up, I can't complain. Thomas Snell, what's up, man? Mad pumps. Mad pumps at $1 trillion. No, I don't know. The world will notice. That's the most important part. You know what? Now I am gonna go to the bathroom, because I really do have to go. I'm gonna put this Ninja. Ninja Tom is gonna hang out with you guys for a little bit. But hang tight. Ninja Tom, go.
Please open value liquidity value chart.
Ninja Tom. Deactivate. Shoo. 10 donated 10. Please open value liquidity chart value. I don't know what that is, but always willing to look at a new chart, my friend. Value. Value liquidity. Value liquidity does not have the most data, does it? Not really sure what I'm looking at here. Is this a coin value? That's probably why this person's excited about it. Daily momentum moving up. I don't know what I'm looking at. Huh. TradingView claims that we've gotten even higher in total. TradingView claims we've gotten to 998.69 billion on the daily, but yet denies that it got there on any other time frame lower than the daily. I'm not really sure how to interpret any of this, like any of that weirdness of it showing up on the daily, not on the hourlies. Either way, we are all but at $1 trillion market cap as is. As is. I don't know whoever tipped that 10, I do appreciate it. Not really sure what I'm looking at. Value liquidity kind of makes me think it's something other than a coin. Not really sure. That 4-hour momentum building. Daily momentum building. Hourly momentum waning. Don't think it's breaking out quite yet. That selling wick on that hourly is pretty savage. May take a little more time though. I do like the 4-hour 50-20 setup. I don't like the position of the 100 moving average, however. Yeah, those alerts are really variable in volume. I have no idea why. You'd assume that they would kind of like just flatten out the volumes, but you know what we can do? We can use CoinGecko. To be honest, I trust more when it comes to good data anyway. More so than, I don't know, TradingView's calculation. And CoinGecko is saying 994 billion. This is the same thing though. What the? I'm like genuinely confused. So even CoinGecko is doing the same thing. Look, market cap 996 billion. And then when we go into the hourly, it's reflecting what TradingView is saying, 978, 976. Like, it doesn't make any sense. It's kind of, I don't know which to trust. I don't know why. This is two sources now saying on the daily we have 996 billion. On the hourly, when we look at it on CoinGecko, even on the hourly it doesn't show 996 billion. 979 billion is its highest point when we look at it by the hour. Then that's the same thing on TradingView. On the hour, the highest total market cap, hourly saying 980. When you switch it to the daily says 998. I don't know. Either way, we're getting to that trillion. We're getting to that trillion, boys and girls. Like it or not. 1T is on the way. We're adding another zero, as Bitcoin does. As Bitcoin do. You do that. You do add another zero. Got to do. Oh, it's running. Let's make this, so okay, now Coinbase even says, now TradingView says that we went over a trillion on the daily. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't get it. A second ago it didn't, now it does. On the hourly it still, I'm sure, reflects that we didn't. If I know, man. I don't have all the answers, but when I have the answers, I do share them. It's funny because it went over a trillion, it says, yet it didn't set off my alert for a trillion. Let's make this a really weird sound so we know what it is. I don't know what fault is, so that'll probably do it. True that, Steve. I'm sure they already have. They're not like literally waiting for 1 trillion. You know, they see 950 billion. They are good at math. They're good at math. They're gonna recognize that as that's the same thing. Justin Moon. Thank you, brother. Bless your coins by hitting the like button. I like that. Dark Zool. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I'm just a dude. I'm just a dude who likes charts. That's the reality of my life. Find a coin that'll run, man. Just throw a dart at a board. Throw a dart at a board, you'll catch something. Want this 1 trillion. I thought I was like pretty sold that it would happen yesterday. Still within 24 hours, I think. Dig it. 16,900 subscribers, only 100 more till 17,000. Fire. We're mooning with Bitcoin, everybody. We are mooning with corn. Man, views dropped dramatically. Not even when I went to the bathroom, just in general. Though we did hit our record, 680 peak concurrent viewers. That is a record. Historic day for us. That'd make it even more historic. Hitting 1 trillion, that'd make it more historic. In case you're out there listening, crypto. Two hours, 43 minutes till close. How much more power do we have left? God, I want this 1 trillion.
Fetch, AI ripping, T, crown.
Justin Cully, my man. Thank you for the 5. Appreciate your support, my brother. Fetch AI. J.I. Not familiar. Oh, FET. Okay. I just didn't realize that was called FET. Last we left it, we were looking at a high, yep. And looks like we bounced off the supports. 3.86 cents. Gonna have to flip to a higher time frame. I remember when this coin didn't have enough chart history either. Didn't have enough chart history to really look at. Now it does. It's beautiful to watch your coins grow up. We're seeing the weekly on Fetch rolling over from selling to buying. Buying momentum on the daily continues. Ooh, we do have that strong moving average setup on the daily. This is likely to lead to a strong move. 11.6 cents resistance above. 3.9 cent support below. Whew, tell you what, boys, I'm running out of steam. We did a solid hour patron stream before this. Daily RSI looks good. 4-hour RSI looks good. You're closing your 4 hours higher than you were. You are gaining ground on FET. 30-minute, 1 hour back tested the 50 and bounced. You're right in the middle of the channel. That is a hard call. 3.9 cents below, 11.67 above. Likely gonna follow Bitcoin. Likely to follow the corn. Ooh. Oh, this is theta somehow. That's funny. Hard to give an edge. You're right in the middle of the channel. You have tons of support. I mean, I say 3.9 cent support below, but really you're going to have support in a larger range than that. You have all of this. You have all of this zone of trading. I mean, even farther down. Plenty of support built over the last 4 months or so of trading. Only a matter of time till you touch 11.6 cents on FET, in my opinion. Bitcoin, are you calming down for the day, buddy? Do you tucker yourself out with that little bullish engulfing off our support? Get a little tuckered? No, no. Apparently you're just wimping out on our ascending high trend line. Yes. Looking to close an hourly candle above 36.1151. We have 36 minutes left in this candle, so that can still happen on this hourly. That last hourly candle, massively bullish. Unlikely that many people were looking at it expecting that to happen like we were. Very unlikely. Let's flip through some of these coins we've looked at today. Value. This needs to break that trend and close. OXT rejected from 2.999 cents. Likely to find support somewhere in the 25.5 cent range. The selling continues. LRC, we're expecting to trade sideways for a while. Consolidate after such a vicious move. That's really expected. XLM, back testing our liquidity zone here, highlighted in green, between 27.3 and 28.1 cents. The stronger this 4 hour closes in the next 2.5 hours, the better off XLM is. Ethereum consolidating below its new local high. Looking for a strong close on Ethereum today. Nano trading back up to today's highs at $2.43. Looking for a close on Nano above $2.08 to continue to the upside. Your next target would be in the $5 range. Keeping an eye on Nano. Verge as well, pushing back up towards its intraday high of 1.37 cents. Looking for a close above 1 cent, which seems all but probable at this point. Looking for 1.9 cents on Verge if the close is right, the price is right. MATIC, ideally looking for a close above 31.6 cents. I will take anything above, or 3.16 cents. I will take anything above 3 cents as a good solid close on MATIC. Maker is just hanging out at $1,000. I don't even know what to say about it. I don't even know what to say about it, to be honest. $785, I'd feel comfortable if we see a retracement that large. ADA is struggling with our retracement target. Struggling, having just barely reached it 31 cents. However, this is still a monstrous candle in a series of monstrous candles with growing momentum to the upside. 37.36 cents would complete our target. Might have to wait till tomorrow. Link at a critical juncture. Critical juncture. Link. Need to close the daily on Link above $16.47. It's traded as high as $17.26 today. And with a close above $16.47, it is in good shape. 2 hours, 30 minutes to go. KNC showing some life again after back testing. Well, after testing at $1.18 resistance and rejecting. Back testing $1.06 and now showing some strength. A close above $1.18 would be phenomenal for KFC coin. KNC coin. That 2 fib extension called this bottom exactly, and it was a double bottom. That's wild. We spotted this on a live stream long ago. Double bottom, exactly called by the fib extension. Swing low to swing high. Back in August. Wild, wild TA. You close above $1.18 today. I mean, where do you even go from there? You got rocket fuel. So that's a spicy coin to watch as well. Total market cap is still a mystery. No one is really quite sure if we've reached $1 trillion yet or not. CoinGecko has not confirmed the trillion number yet. TradingView is saying that we did on the daily. However, on any other time frame, it's saying we haven't. So, I don't know, man. We're close enough. This is close enough to $1 trillion. There we go. Now Bitcoin's looking good again. Trade above that trend. Trade above that trend. Let's go. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, doke. Okay, doke. Oh, no, that's not right. It's the wrong one. Yeah, basically, make sure you're liked and subscribed, everybody. Por favor. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're in the Discord so you can keep up with our daily live streams. After this stream, and in fact, as a commitment to this action. As a commitment. I will right now. Put the live stream up. There it is. It's up. In Discords. I see what it's doing. That's super annoying. Alright, as a commitment. There we go. Promise kept. Today's live stream is up in the Discord, so make sure you're in it. You can follow along with the technical analysis provided today, and you will be alerted to our next stream, which God knows when that will be. Could be in an hour. There we go. Nano pushing up for a new high. That's right. 256 on the measured move, but $5 looking tasty. Yeah. Yep. I'm beat. Bait Street. So make sure you're in Discord, follow along, guys. I love you all. Today was an epic stream. I was really hoping to hit 1 trillion market cap, but at this point, I already consider it hit, so screw it. It's already done. Really just want to take a screenshot of it. Not happening. Nano looking so healthy. Alright, the main chart from today is up. Streaming in Discord. Make sure you're in there. Make sure you're in there. And join us tomorrow, guys. We already streamed for like over an hour earlier with the patrons. I'm beat. We're at like our 3-hour mark here. Hour earlier. I'm out of gas. I love you guys. I hope to see you tomorrow. Today was epic. Bitcoin likely still has some more epic left in it in the day. Secret. Don't think that this rally is totally over. I hate to leave it, but I just can't look at it anymore. Just can't sit here. I gotta eat. Gotta do something. Make sure you're in that Discord and subscribed. We are gonna hit 17,000 subscribers tonight. I feel it. So have a good one, fam. Be safe. Be calm. Everything's going to be alright, I promise.